Hi guys, welcome to Canva for Beginners tutorial. So in this session, I will show you the basic features of Canva for beginners. So let me start with, if you are on YouTube channel really requires a YouTube thumbnail, and it's very nice if you have your own YouTube thumbnail from the very beginning of your video and at the end of the video. So this is also one of the most of the things that I do in Canva aside from the Facebook post is my YouTube thumbnail. Let's do that. For the YouTube thumbnail, you can either use an image or a video thumbnail. So Canva already has a new feature, and that is a video thumbnail. So again, as you go to the left part of the page, you can see all the thumbnails here that's recommended or suggested by, collated by Canva for you. And you can just choose from among these templates what to use and customize. So you would know if this thumbnail is video or just an image because you can see a play button on that thumbnail. So here you can see that this is a video. This one must be a video thumbnail. So let me check if I can replace this image with a video. So on the leftmost panel, you can see that there are also videos that was uploaded by Canva, and you can choose from there. I want to have the summer feels again. Okay, wait. Shouldn't have done it. Wait. Okay, let me. Okay. Right. Okay, this one should play. Let's try playing the video. You can also adjust the size of the video. Just drag the box. Yay, now it's working. So as you can see, it's moving right now. I think this. All right. So I have this YouTube thumbnail with video thumbnail. And there's another feature that is very recent in Canva, and that is to add music to your design. Now I realize that it doesn't work on YouTube thumbnail. All right, guys, we cannot add music to our YouTube thumbnail. So that's pretty much it. And then if you're satisfied with your design, just download, press download, and okay, you can preview it by pressing the arrow key here. There you go. Then close preview and download. Now the thing is how to insert music on your design. So I have tried an Instagram post, and also an Instagram story. But it could also work on a Facebook post. So since we tried a Facebook post, now let's go back and see how we can do it on Instagram story. All right, so the other day, I've tried making an Instagram story with music. So now I realize that you cannot add music to your YouTube thumbnail, but you can add music to your Facebook post, Instagram post, and Instagram story. These are the things that I've used so far. So this was my output from my previous tutorial with a group of people. I used this template on the left, this recently used. But now for our tutorial, let's try to use a different template. But let me show you first my previous output, this one. Let us review this by pressing play. So you can see it's moving and it has a background music. So cool. All right, so let's add a new page here to create a new design. And let's find a new design with video and music. So our template is that both the background is the video and there's another image on top of that, which is also a video. So you can use both. You can use two videos for this template. And it's super nice. You can, because just as the template suggests, you can put a video with your friend and a landscape video on the background. So if you have a video clip for your travel, then you can upload that here on your directory and drag and drop. And if you have a nice video shoots of landscape, a beach, or a drone shot of a place, then you can also add that as a background. I don't have those kind of things for the moment, so I will just use whatever Canva has made for us. So let me find a video that would suit to this template. Let's see, because I love coffee and I love food, but I also love landscape. Whatever you're fond of doing right now, like let's see. So most of the videos here are nature and views. Let me find the best landscape that I can find. So this one is another drone shot, drone video of an island, wherever is this one. So I'm just gonna pick, drag, and then drop it here to replace that, to replace the existing video. And then I will find a video that would also replace the one on top of that background video. And I think this one would suit. Is another landscape video of a beach. Why there's a lot of videos and images of the beach. Okay, this is nice. The background is not moving. Let me change the background into this. I think this one is much nicer. Awesome. The text is "To More Adventures with You," which I like. And I'm not gonna change that one. Or maybe I should change the color of the text. Change that into black or pink or red, maroon. And then try another font that is a handwriting font. Handwriting. Let's see if there are more appealing fonts. Gucci hand is also nice. Right, I like this one. "To More Adventures with You." And then let me create this size again. 25. Okay, where's the image? Now let's put a music on this template, on this design, I mean. So go to the leftmost part of the page, and then you can see below the text is the music directory. And you can just choose from among the bunch of music here. So since our design is travel related, then there's already related to travel here. Super cool. We'll see. You can preview or review the music by clicking, as you hover it, the play button will appear. So just click it and listen to that. I love this. So I'm gonna use this one already. So to use this, just pick, drag, and drop this. And then you can see, as you hover on your design, you can say drop to add your music. So just drop that one. And as you can see here, on the left side, you can already see the title of the music, that is Blizzards. And to make sure that Blizzard is playing, if you click on your design, then you cannot see the Blizzard, but click outside the design, then you can see the Blizzard. Click on that to play. You can choose the portion of the music, just a part of the music that you can use for the entire duration of your design. Because that's only, for example, in this design, you only have 49 seconds. So as you play the Blizzard music, okay, let's try to preview if the music works. Nice. I love it. Okay. So the music works, and so you already have an IG story with a music background and a video. On your video, there's another thing that you can edit. So this is the visible part of your video, but if you want to edit it to show the other part, then you can just double click it, and the entire photo will appear, and you can see the remaining part of the video. And if you want to show the rest, which is you want makes it more appealing, then you can do this actually right there. So you can choose and then click done. So that's it. So the visible part of the video is shown again. And let's see the other video. Let me see. This one is pretty nice already. Oh, it suits well on our background image, by the way. So I'm very happy about this. And on our next tutorial, maybe I will try to use my own video to replace the default video on the template. But that's it, guys. That's so simple. And oh, if you want to download this design, click download again. And since I already have an existing design on this template, but I will only choose the latest design that I did. So I will only pick, so click this one, the select pages, click that one, and then just tick the page 2 because I only want to download the page 2. So I will download the page 2. And as you can see, the file type of this design is video. It's MP4 and it's not PNG because it's video. Okay, so just download that, click done, and then download. And save on your computer, and then that's ready to be uploaded on your Instagram story. So everyone, thank you, and I hope you learned something on this tutorial. Subscribe on our channel, Maria's Easy Guide, on YouTube, and then Maria's Easy Guide on Facebook page. Good luck and God bless.